Welcome at Pizza and More. Maybe you saw in one of your visits in an Italian pizzeria or pizza place a very strange pizza on the menu. My name is Juergen and we make together a Pizza Wurstel e Patatine. You hear right, this is a pizza with sausages and French fries. You may have seen this already on the menu in a pizza place and you thought this might be any joke for the tourists or a special food for the tourists. But this is really not the case. This is one of the most beloved pizzas for the Italian children and for all the children. And today we make it together, this nice pizza. All the ingredients or all the toppings are already prepared. I have here French fries. The French fries are already prepared. They are ready. I have here some sausages. I have San Marzano tomatoes. How I make the San Marzano sauce or the tomato sauce, the real Neapolitan sauce, I made a video about this and I will link the video into the video description. I have here also cheese, so I have fior di latte, and I would say now we start with this nice pizza. I also made already a video how to take the dough out of the box. This video will also be linked into the video description. In this video I show also how to stretch the dough so that it's possible to make a perfect round pizza. But in a few words I show you how I do this right now. I take some semolina and I put the semolina on top of the dough ball I want to take out. And I put a lot of semolina everywhere where it's attached to any other dough ball or to the side of the box. Then I take a spatula and then I release at first the dough so that the dough is really free around, and then I push some semolina with the spatula under the dough ball so that the dough ball really sticks nowhere, because this is required to be able afterwards to stretch the dough. So I have it out now and I put it into the semolina. And the other dough ball is covered again to protect it from drying out. And then I flip my dough ball several times in the semolina bed and then I take it out. I look that I have a round shape. If it's not round, I make it round with my fingertips very carefully, because I have to be really gentle to the dough, otherwise the dough will be stressed and it's impossible to stretch it. For stretching we start in the center and we press all the air towards the crust and we let round about 1.5 centimeters of crust over. Then we flip it around and do exactly the same from the other side. If we have here big bubbles, we open the big bubbles directly because they will burn. If then the dough is stretched, then we take at first our tomato sauce. We can ask the children if they want to have tomato sauce. If not, we let it away. Then if the children want ketchup, of course we can use ketchup. And I never said we can use ketchup as well. The next we add is our cheese. I have here fior di latte. We can use each cheese ever you like, or if our kids won't to have any cheese, then we also let the cheese away. The next we add are already our French fries. And then some sausages. I cut it or I sliced the sausages already. Right, and then some olive oil. And then it's already ready for the oven. To launch the pizza, we take some semolina onto our pizza peel, then we lift the dough, we push the peel under, and now we stretch the pizza to its final size. And now it's time to bring it to the oven. And here is our nice children pizza Wurstel e Patatine. Yes, as I said, it's not a touristic joke, it's a real pizza and it tastes fantastic. You have to try it, provide it for your children or eat it by yourself. This one will be eaten by me and I'm looking forward to eat it right now. So I would simply recommend make it and try it. If you like my video, then it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel. And then we see us in the next video. Ciao.